So if your bike is running sluggish, you might want to change and clean the filter. I'm always in the desert, there's a lot of dust, but look at that. Like, everything else is clean. You wouldn't think it. And then you come in here and it's nasty. You want to maintain the air filter, that way you get the full performance from your quad. This little kit is 25 bucks, 25 bucks. You want a bucket full of warm water, so you take off the filter. Once you get that out, you're gonna come over here and throw it in the bucket. But I'm gonna let it kind of soak in there and get everything out. We'll give that a minute. In the meantime, just go ahead and clean this part up. Clean the inside real good. Like new again. Now we'll check on the filter. So that little hole right there is where all this gunk and stuff go into there. So clean that out real quick too if you have anything. Usually you get some small droplets here and there, but otherwise this is how it should look. Filter is sparkly clean again. So when you put it back on, you're going to use the grease around the rim. And you're going to seal that off so no dirt gets into that. Try to wear gloves if you use this. Shake well before use, because the oil is kind of a little thick. So kind of like massages in there. It should not be dripping like that. You don't want no drip coming out, that's too much. And we're gonna go for a quick walk while this air filter dries. Give it about 15 minutes, and then you can grease it up and put it back in. It should be nice and ready. Now we're going to apply the grease. So when it's done, it should look something like this. So it's been a while since I had that cleaned. Let's do a cold start and hear how it sounds.